Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how you can fix temporarily blocked problem on your Facebook account. So follow along the process that I'm going to show you in this video to fix that problem. So you receive this kind of notification that you are temporarily blocked from Facebook. These kind of notifications appear when you violate some kind of community guidelines of Facebook. You can solve this problem by creating a report and reporting it to the Facebook. Now to do so, you need to firstly open up the Facebook app, and from here click on the three lines. Now if you scroll down, you can see help and support, and then from here go to report a problem. Then click on continue to report a problem. Now here are all the problems that you can report for. From here you need to click on profile. Now a screenshot will be added automatically. You can remove this screenshot, and from here you can type in the issue that you are facing. You can type in a message, something like this, and if you want you can also add in an image of the notification that you have received. Now from here you can send this report to the Facebook. Now after you've done that, the Facebook will try to solve your problem, and hopefully your problem will be solved within a few hours or within a few days. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.